So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see one topic that is regarding will UGC NET May 2021 be postponed or not. So regarding this one, here in one article that is College Dekho, so here it was published. Of course up to now there is no any official update guys, so don't get panic until getting the official notice in the NTA website. Okay, but I am just showing this article. Okay. So UGC NET May 2021 is scheduled to be conducted from May 2 to 17. So considering the rise in COVID-19 cases in India, NTA may think about postponing the eligibility test. So check the latest updates. Fine. So before going into the article of this one, if you are not yet subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon to get the more updates. So here UGC NET May 2021 is scheduled, and the admit card is expected to be released on or after April 15th as per the NTA website. So however, with the rise in number of COVID-19 cases in India, there have been requests, so many requests are getting from students to NTA to postpone the exam. On the other hand, almost 8 lakh candidates appear for the UGC NET, and with the current situation in India, conducting the exam may not be the best option as per the experts. So NTA has not issued any notification on the postponement of the exam so far. Right? And if NTA releases the UGC NET May 2021 admit card by April 20, then the exam will not get postponed. However, if the admit card not released by April 20, then the chances of the postponing of eligibility test are more. And NTA will release a press note if the exam is going to be postponed. And the last exam was happened in November 2020. So actually this year, the NTA has to conduct the 3 examinations. One is December 2020, and the second one is June 2021, and third one is December 2021. Okay, so anyhow, December 2020 exam is happening in the May 2021. Okay, and due to the COVID-19, in 2020, the June 2020 was postponed. So UGC NET June or July 2021 and December 2021 are scheduled to be conducted. Not yet scheduled by the NTA, and NTA may wrap up the process this year only if the situation turns normal in the country. But now the situations are not normal. Fine. And the students are advised not to believe any rumors about the postponement of UGC NET May 2021. So it always it is advisable to wait for the official press note of the National Testing Agency. So all of you please continue your preparations. Okay. So don't relax guys. Okay. There is a chance of postponing the examination like that. So please continue your preparation as usual. So whenever the official update is there in the NTA, then definitely I will come up with the one video immediately. So anyhow, today the CBSE 12th examinations 2021 have postponed. So it is a fresh news guys, and it is yet to be seen if the government takes any decision on the UGC NET May 2021 exam. Why? Because nearly 10 lakhs of candidates will register for the exam guys. So 10 lakhs of candidates, maintaining the crowd in the examination center will be a little bit difficult, and there is a chance of spreading the COVID. So that's why we don't know what will be the decision taken by the National Testing Agency. So still we will wait for the official update from the NTA, and you just keep on continuing your preparation guys. Fine. So if any updates are there, then immediately I will come up with my update in this YouTube channel. So please subscribe the channel to get the more updates. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one video follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is the India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards, And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide